Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove a saved playlist on YouTube. First of all, you can open the YouTube application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just reach your home page. After reaching your home page, you can now tap on view icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see this type of interface. I can already reach this type of page. After this, you can just simply scroll down, and here you will find the option playlist. You will just simply tap on the three dots that is bottom right corner of the playlist that you want to delete. I can delete this playlist. Now I can tap on three dots at bottom right corner of the playlist, and here you can see the second option that is delete, and after tapping on it, the playlist is removed, and it is a way you can remove saved playlist on YouTube. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.